Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pair Amazon Alexa with an iPhone. Let's get started. Pairing Alexa means connecting it to your iPhone using Bluetooth so you can play music, videos or sounds from your phone through the Alexa speaker. First, make sure your Alexa device is plugged in and turned on. Now take your iPhone and open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the top, tap on the plus sign, then tap on device. Now choose the Alexa device you want to pair. Now tap Bluetooth device. Next tap pair or new device. Alexa will now start searching for a nearby Bluetooth device. On your iPhone, go to settings or scroll down from the top right corner of your screen. Tap Bluetooth and turn it on. You will see your Alexa device name appear on the screen. Tap on it to connect. Wait a few seconds. When the connection is successful, Alexa will say now connected to iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully paired Amazon Alexa with your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.